Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of recycle metal furniture or recycle uh, wood furniture ideas. Dear audience, in real, recycling is a concept which is used in my video. Recycling is a process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects, and also one upcycling material. We can uh, use a word in my video. I also used. This concept often include the recovery of energy from waste material, the recyclability of the material depending on its ability to reacquire the properties it had in original state. It is an alternative to conventional waste disposal that can save, we can say that for potentially useful materials and reduce the consumption of fresh raw material, reducing energy use, air pollution, and water pollution. Recycling is a key component of modern waste reduction and is the third component of the reduce, reuse, and recycle waste hierarchy. So it promotes environmental sustainability by removing raw materials input and redirecting waste output in the economical system. There are some ISO standard related to recycle, such as ISO uh, for plastic waste and ISO environmental management control of recycling particle and practice. So recyclable materials include many kinds of glass, paper, cardboard, metal, plastic, tire, um, textile, batteries, and electronics. So the composting and other reuse of biodegradable waste, such as um, some gardening waste or gardening tree waste, or then recycle it, which is metal for recycling, or either deliver to a householder recycling, or either delivered to a picked up from curbside bins, then sorted, cleaned, and reprocessed into new material for manufacturing new products. In ideal implementation, recycling a metal produces a fresh supply of same material. For example, used offices and use in offices and different uh, and other rooms or sitting room or different other rooms. So dear audience, if in my video I also prescribe of special furniture. So furnitures refer to a object intended to support various human activities, such as seating, stool, chair, and sofas, eating table, storing items, working, and sleeping. So furniture is also used to hold objects at a convenient height for work, so as horizontal surface above the ground, such as tables and desks, are to store things, cupboard, shelves, and drawers. So furniture can be product of design and can be considered a form of decorative art. So in addition to furniture functional role, it can serve a symbolic and a religious purpose. So it can be made from a vast multitude of materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. So Furniture can be made using a variety of woodworking joint which often reflect the local culture. So, dear guys, uh, some people have been using natural objects such as trees, rock, and moss and metal as furniture since the beginning of human civilization and continue today in some household composite. So, archaeological research shows that from about around 30,000 years ago, people started to construct and care on their own furniture using wood, stone, and animal bones. So, early furniture from this period is known from artwork such as Venice uh, figurine found in Russia. So, depicting the goddess on a throne. The first surviving extant furniture is in the homes of Skora, Bray, and Scotland, and include cupboard, so dresser and bed, all constructed from stone. So complex construction techniques such as joinery began in the early dynastic period of ancient Egypt. So this era saw constructed wooden pieces include stool and table, so sometimes decorated with valuable metal or ivory. So the evolution of furniture design continued in ancient Greece and ancient Rome with throne um, like as in being or ancient Rome with being complex as well as cliny. Yeah, so multi-purpose couch is used for relaxing, eating, and sleeping. Mm, It's also in different point of view. So the furniture of the Middle Ages was usually heavy, oak, and ornamented. So furniture design expanded during the Italian and Renaissance of the 14th and 15th century. So the 17th century in both southern and northern Europe was characterized by opulent, often gilded Baroque designs. So now the 19th century is usually defined by revival style. So the first three quarters of the 20th century are often seen as a march toward modernism, one unique outgrowth of postmodern furniture. Design is a return to natural shape and texture. So it's a different type. We also prescribe in my last video. So sitting is among us the oldest known furniture type and author, including encyclopedias and Britannia regarded as the most important. In addition to the functional design, seating has an important decorative element from ancient times to the present day. So this includes carved and sculpture pieces intended as a work of art, as well as the styling of the seats. To this include carved and sculpture pieces intended as works of art, as well as the styling of seats to indicate social importance with senior figure of leaders granted to the use of specially designed seats. So this the simplest form of the seat is the chair, which is a piece of furniture designed to allow a single person to sit down, which is a back and legs as well as a platform of sitting. So chair often feature cushion and different other sculpture, guys. So dear guys, I think that my video and my idea inspired you much. If inspired, then subscribe my channel and share my video and like my video. Thank you very much.